Hey guys, Mark T. Wade here, Hustle and Scale. I wanted to quickly give you a just overview of the Virtual Summit software so you can see it, check it out, and just kind of know how it works because I know many of you out there are heavily considering using it to run your virtual summit. So obviously, when you create your account, you'll be able to create summits in here, and the more summits you have, they're all gonna be listed in here. So you'll be able to see them all from here. And this is where you'll access it. So this is kind of your summit dashboard. When you jump into a summit, we have this starter guide right here that kind of takes you step by step through the creating of the summit process. So even if you've never created a summit before and you have no idea how to do it, this essentially is going to walk you through the steps, and it's kind of in the order of what you would end up doing, from step one to step done. You can also access everything here on the left side if you already know where you're trying to get around to. So let's jump quickly in here. The summit info is just as it says. That's where you're going to put your summit information: name, title, description, the link, location, the domain, images, as well as the host. Next, we've got the landing page builder. So right here we have 3 different themes, and you can check what those themes look like. You can view the examples and then select the one you want, and then you just fill it out. Each piece of this, you just simply type in the information. If you want an area not visible, for example, if you're just starting your summit, you're starting speaker recruitment, you don't have any speakers yet, you can go ahead and hide this section so that doesn't show up on the landing page. So you can make visible or hidden any of these sections as you need, as well as we have our analytics down here. So that's landing page. You'll be able to publish the landing page when you're ready for that, and then I'll obviously view how it looks. Over here is where we have speakers. So with the speakers, you're going to reach out to them individually at first, and after they say yes, you come in here and you just add a speaker by putting their name and then their email, and that's going to send them an email with a link that they're going to accept, and then they'll create a speaker account, and then from there, they'll have access to this. You also have access in case you need to change anything or you want to add it on your own, but they're essentially going to come in here and fill all this out. So all their speaker information, bio, headshots, social links. And then depending on if you're doing a interview-based or presentation-based summit, this is available as well. You'll either you'll fill this out or they'll fill it out. And then down here we have the opportunities for the speakers to leave bonuses. So most of the summits we do, the speakers provide a bonus. We use that to provide incentive for people to join the summit as well as to upgrade to the different ticket levels. And then here we have a lead magnet option, meaning that we allow our speakers to have a lead magnet, which we call a free gift, on their speaker page so that they can build their list as well. So if they want to do that, this is where they would fill that out. So essentially the speaker fills everything out on their own, and you don't have to do anything. What's also really cool is these speaker reminders right here. So essentially, you can set up however many reminders you want. That's for the profile, this is for the presentation. And what's going to happen is that based on those dates, the speakers are all going to be sent a reminder to complete each aspect, like whether it's their profile or their presentation. They're going to be reminded to complete that. Now, if they've already completed it, they're not going to get the email, just the people who need to complete it. So this also takes care of the follow-up with the speakers. And then here we have the ability to make a speaker inactive. So if you were recruiting a speaker and for some reason they didn't finish their presentation or whatnot, you can make it inactive. And here we can see they're assigned. If a speaker is not assigned, you'll be able to click right here and go straight over to the speaker schedule. Otherwise, you can come to it here. And essentially, you'll be assigning putting the speakers in the schedule just like this. So for example, we got day 1, morning and afternoon, day 2, day 3, etc., however many days your summit is. And then you can add the speakers, super simple, just like this. So that's how you can remove it. And then you just drag and drop your speakers where you want them to be. And this automatically populates throughout the software. Also, when the speakers fill out their information, that auto-populates as well. So it's going to go into the landing page, into the actual summit membership area, as well as the presentation. So that's super simple. That's how you can set the speaker schedule. And then here we have membership levels. So you can create as many membership levels as you want. We have a free one, a couple paid ones here. You select the bonuses that you want in each level. simply by just clicking the boxes. So super simple, super easy. We've got some extra Summit enhancers like adding Stripe to your shopping cart. If you're going to have sponsors, you can add the sponsors here. Same thing with sponsorship tiers. You can also go in and edit the bonuses provided by the speakers and add your own bonuses. And then, of course, integrate your mailing list. We allow you to add a team, so you can have a couple people attached to your account here. And, so multiple people can be managing it for you. We also have our attendees area here where you can manage the attendees. You can add an attendee, so you can export the file, so you can export all of these and add these straight to your email list if you need to. You can add an attendee individually, or you can import an entire list. You can import your attendees from your list. Also, you have access in here to the attendees information. You can you can change their membership level here, as well as have access to their token, which is valid here. So with the live summit, every individual that has a token, an access token, which prevents them from being able to share the summit, which is anybody and anybody going to it. It's also what tracks it. So if they don't upgrade once the summit ends, they no longer have access to it. So this is what it looks like inside. We've got the schedule here. We've got speakers. We've got the bonuses here. So anyways, let's go through this real quick. So during the live summit, once the summit is actually going on, before the summit goes live, everything's going to be locked down. So they'll still be able to see all this, but they won't be able to actually click through it. Once the summit goes live, depending on the time, so if it's the morning of day one's morning session is going to be unlocked. Everything else will be locked. So the software automatically runs the summit for you, which is great. So you don't even have to monitor it. You don't have to worry about broken links or anything not working right. Everything is automated and happens automatically. So during that session, they'll come in here and depending on which one is open, then they can click on the speaker page and they're going to be taken directly to that presentation. So this is what the speaker page looks like. You have the video presentation here, the presentation title, the summary. You're going to have all the speaker info that they've filled out. Remember, it's auto-populated through, also with their social links. We've got sponsors down here. We're always pushing for the upgrade to get them to upgrade their membership, the attendees, which is how you monetize the summit. And this is that lead magnet that I was talking about that we give our speakers. We give them the option to do a free, it's called a free gift here, which is going to incentivize people to actually click on it, which allows them to, the speaker to get some leads as well. So they'll be able to go through and pick whichever speaker page speaker presentation they want that is unlocked at that time. If it's, for example, if we're on day 2, then they'll still be able to see day 1, but it'll all be locked down. Day 2 will be the ones they can click on. The reason for that is we constantly want them to upgrade. So by having them lock certain aspects, this pushes them, if they miss a presentation that they want to watch, then they can come and upgrade their summit right here. We also push that with the bonuses. So here's where all the bonuses are located. So this is the free level. So this is also cool. They'll be able to download all the bonuses straight here through the software. So you don't have to worry about delivering those. It's all done inside the software. But we also have, those upgraded membership levels, which is going to show all the bonuses because it's going to make them want to have the bonuses. But in order to get those, to unlock those, they're going to have to upgrade. So that's one of the benefits here is providing everything for them here, making them want to have access to it and seeing what's possible. And then in order to access it, they have to upgrade. And this all happens inside the software. And of course, we have our sponsors. We list that under resources, which makes people want to actually check out resources versus if you just call it sponsors. And then you have your tiers of sponsors as well. We also give our sponsors the ability to get traffic straight to their website also. So yeah, that's essentially the Virtual Summit software. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of it so you could see how it works. I mean, essentially, it makes hosting a virtual summit easier than ever before. You can literally have a virtual summit up and running in less than 30 minutes. So hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, just let us know. Right now, we do have the ability, you can get the software for free for 14 days right now. So just head over to virtualsummits.com to jump into that software. Thank you.